Okay, so we're going to go over what a major chord is and how to find it. Okay, so the things that you need to know for a major chord right now, like C major chord, G major, D flat major, is R for 3. This stands for root. Okay, so this is your root note. So if I say C major, your root is C. If I say E flat major, your root is E flat. Okay, so for this example, we're just going to go ahead and put C down because we've kind of already learned the C chord. So root 43. Remember this. All major chords, okay, major, have this pattern. Root 4, 3. Root 43. Okay. I'm going to explain what 4 and 3 mean. Okay. So when you come over here to the piano and you press C, okay, we're finding C major, you're going to go up. The next thing to remember was 4. So root 4. So from C, you're going to count up 4 half steps. A half step is going up the piano or down the piano. It doesn't matter whether black or white, but it's just the very next key, okay, from where you start. So if you're on C and I say up a half step, you're going to go to this, okay, to this C sharp here. So starting again, from C, we're going to count 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on E. So far we have C, that's your root, and E is where your 4 was, okay, because you went 4 half steps. And then the next note is your third half step from E. So going up 3, you're starting on E, so go 1, 2, 3. You're going to land on G. So that's root, up 4, up 3. Root, 4, 3. That makes your C major chord. C or major chords are very pretty. They're very common in songs. Okay, so you have your root 43, and then this pattern works for every major chord. So if I say find F major, F is your root. Okay, then you're going to go up 4 half steps from F. So I'll hold F here. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You land on A. So you have F and A. That's your root 4, and then up 3. 1, 2, 3. C. So a F major chord, F, A, C. That is how you find an F major chord. Okay, so back to C major, back to F major. Now those are pretty easy. They didn't have any black keys involved. But what if we look at a B major chord? We're going to start on B. And we're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are now hitting our first black key. Again, this is the key or the chord B major. So root 4, 1, 2, 3. This right here is a B major chord. B, 4, 3. Root 43. Okay, so you can use this for any chord. I'm going to do one more that's a little more complicated. Let's go with a B flat major chord. So that means we start on the B flat. This is your root, a B flat. You're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is D. That's your second note. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. That's F. So altogether you have B flat, D, and F. Okay, so your first note is black key. When you're talking about the piano, black and white keys are interchangeable through everything. Okay, so is a B flat major chord. C major, F major. I would encourage you to find any major chord that you can on here. Just mess around with it, but you now know how to find every major chord on the piano. Okay, I'll run through the minors at a later time, but just know your majors right now.